My name is Ping. This is MyPingsWorld. Let's get cooking. Today we're going to make spicy chicken wings. Spicy chicken wings in Chinese is 辣鸡翅. 辣 is spicy, 鸡 is chicken, 翅 is wings. So the ingredients are, we have 2 pounds of chicken wings. We have soy sauce, salt, hoisin sauce, chili garlic sauce, and then raw sugar. I have mixed the sauce with 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/3 of a cup of hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of raw sugar, and then 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. So here's the sauce. Rinse this well and then salted the chicken. So here I have water. Bring it to a boil. We're going to add the chicken in the pot. You want to bring this back to a boil. Now it's boiling. I'm going to shut the stove off, let it sit for 15 minutes. So now I took out the chicken after the 15 minutes. So I rinsed them with cold water. Here they are. So now I'm going to put them in the bag to marinate with the sauce that we already prepared. So I'm going to put the sauce in here. Get the air out. So you mix it this way so it doesn't get anywhere. It's very easy, convenient. Every 10 minutes you can, remix that a little bit. Make sure each piece of chicken is coated with the delicious sauce that we made. Okay, we let it sit in room temperature for half an hour. Now we have marinated the chicken wings for half an hour. So I put the chicken wings bottom side up. So I'm going to pour the sauce over, and then we're going to put in the broiler. You just have to wash that until it gets crispy, and you take it out, turn the chicken wings to the other side, and then use the rest of the sauce to pour over each one, and then put it back to the broiler. Now I have broiled both sides of the chicken wings. Here they are. Yummy. Let's serve them on a plate. Here it is. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you. 谢谢. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please go to the description section down below and click on links to my other videos. 再见. Bye.